friends, welcome back to It's Simply Trina. I'm your girl Trina, a mama of four, building a beautiful life one day at a time for me and my babies. So grab a coffee, grab your drink, cozy up, and let's spend some time together. I gotta say I'm in the mood for a little bit more. Happy Friday, my loves. We're heading into the weekend. I can't believe the weekend came back so fast, and before you know it, it's gonna be Monday again, which is where the problem come in for me. Because yeah, as much as I love that today is Friday, watch how the weekend is gonna fly by fast. But I do have some things planned for this weekend. We're going to the water park with the kids on Sunday, me and my sister. And then today I don't really have anything planned. I'm not going grocery shopping today. Today is gonna be a chill day. I'm working until 5. The kids are still sleeping because we got in late last night. I took Anna to get her hair done at Nydia. So when she gets up, I'm gonna let her show y'all her new hairstyle. That girl, I'm telling you, she keeps her hair done, her face moisturized, and her lips very oily. Okay? Take pride in ourselves. Really take pride in ourselves. Everybody's home today. Baby's home as well. He's in the room with the baby. I didn't bring Asher to school today since we have a full house and he won't be bothering me while I work. But I'm about to turn on Love After Lockup because me personally love the stupidness with Love After Lockup. Like, I live for it. The drama is dramaing and the tea is piping hot with some of these couples. Okay, look at my olive tree, y'all. I love it. Yes, I don't know, anytime I accomplish something that I've always wanted to do, I'm just super excited about it. I'm just taking my time fixing up my apartment. I love that. For me, I feel so accomplished. Okay, but I kind of put a pause now because back to school and money kind of tight and I don't want to hear the man mouth. So yeah, but I'm gonna make some phone calls and I'll catch you guys in a few. Look who is home today. Say hi. Say hi. Come on. Say hi.
Louis.
Say hi. Say hi. Let's go wake them up. Come on. Let's go wake up your siblings. Come. Wake them up. Say wake up. Dang, y'all room messy. I need y'all to get up. Open the windows. Hear the place out. In here needs to be cleaned today. Ariella is here, so I have these twists. I'm gonna try something with them today. Pray for me. I've never done this before, but this is the hair that I have, and I'm gonna use this lock gel. So I'm gonna try to see if I could get her hair done because her hair is a mess. It has been done for a long while now, and I need to pull it out, wash it, and get it done. Can't keep her hair like this anymore. Are you cleaning as well?
Yes.
Yeah, all our room need for clean. It's a mess.
Well, why Asher not clean?
Asher ain't got a room to clean.
Yes, he does.
Which room Asher have to clean?
Mine, Ariella, and yours.
Why?
Everyone.
Yeah, he's the baby.
It don't matter. You don't act like a baby. Look.
He is a baby. He is a baby. Come show them your hair. Why are you acting like you shy?
Okay, y'all, I got my hair done. Ow!
Go look in there.
Ow!
Disgusting.
Yeah, look at there.
Oh, Anna, what you wearing?
Okay, guys, I got on my pretty little thing outfit, and then I got these shorts from, I forgot where we got it from.
I don't remember either.
And I got my Jordans on.
Okay, fly girl. All right. Your hair looks nice. You cute. Where you going?
I'm gonna go to Main Street.
Yeah, go walk.
Yeah. Billy's walking with me.
All right. Enjoy. Be safe.
Okay, I will.
You walk into Main Street?
He's gonna, like, come here and we'll walk together.
Or am I walk come up here? Okay. All right. Be safe. You have on sunscreen?
Yes.
All right.
Oh, I need some for my face. I only have it
Yeah,
on my
put
body.
us on sunscreen.
Okay.
I just finished working and today was a day. Like the phone calls were non-stop. Like I felt like I was gonna pop. I'm so happy that the day is done. I'm gonna go start my family for a minute. They're at the pool. Oh my god, it's so hot out here. I need the fresh air too because after cleaning that bathroom, the amount of bleach, the bleach scent is still in my nose. This where you live? Hey, babe. This where you live?
I found one.
This where you live? You enjoying your life?
Hello.
I like that for you.
I found one.
You're going to the pool already?
No. Hey,
Hi, baby. You having fun? Hi.
He gave us new goggles, so like we don't need to cover our noses.
Oh, nice.
And I didn't need goggles.
You didn't need goggles?
Yeah, Mom.
Why?
She said she wanted to go and we wanted to open her eyes. Mom,
Okay.
that's my kindergarten buddy from 4th grade.
Nice, nice. I don't know. You see, alright, just a black at a wig, you know, but I'm gonna rub some brightening cream or something on it. I was gonna cook some mackerel and dumpling with yam or make some shrimp and grits, but I think I'm gonna do the shrimp and grits tomorrow. I really feel for some shrimp and grits, but I'm gonna order pizza instead because I am tired. I feel like I done did so much today, so I'm gonna order some pizza, drink a glass of wine, and watch me some Love After Lockup. Yo, me love that show. Yeah, that show yeah ghetto, but me love it. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. It's very bright outside, very sunny, and the living room is just so airy right now. I love the vibe. Can y'all tell I'm just super gigi gaga over everything in this living room right now? My little paintings. Listen, when you want to accomplish something and you accomplish it, you should be extremely proud of yourself no matter what. Even the smallest things, I'm extremely grateful and extremely ecstatic because, yeah, I'm doing grown things, yeah. Got me my pizza. This is barbecue pizza, and I got me some mango habanero wings. I'm gonna watch my Love After Lockup, and this is how I'm spending the rest of my Friday evening. I'm tired. Then I'm gonna take a shower and head to bed. The barbecue pizza from Domino's is so good. And I got the kids the cheesy, the stuffed crust cheese. It's really good. Happy Saturday. Make sure I'm not in my eyes. Today is a very gloomy day. It's raining outside. I didn't even open the blinds. Like, it's very dark outside. And because these curtains are not blackout curtains, so you know that, yeah, it's that type of day. I'm still in bed. I'm watching Love After Lockup. I think this is going to be my date today. I'm really tired. It's raining, but probably later on I'll get up and wash Ariella's hair and try to get it done. I think that's what I'm gonna do, but I don't think I'm gonna go outside today. I'm really tired and I just wanna rest a little bit. Guys, I made some shrimp and grits for the first time ever, and it is so good. This is actually my second plate. It was trial and error, but more really good. I didn't know it was gonna come out so good. I have to make this and show you guys a recipe, okay? About to blow dry my girl's hair and get it done. It is a mess right now. Turn on. And it was so hard to detangle, we just washed it. I know I said I was gonna stop using Instacart for a little bit, but this is warranted because Asher ran out of diapers and I need to order some. And yeah, I know I'm still in my PJs. Please do not judge. And I know it's still in them. And I know I should have been out of the PJs, but I'm never in the mood today, so I'm still in my PJs. Pampers pull-up.
Oil and some spray on TikTok shop that you need to get. It helps your hair. It gives you like
about my hair.
I mean, it could be for your hair.
No, y'all talk about my ear.
No,
Catch with my ear ball.
No, it helps.
You see, you love take liberty. Yes, a little liberty taking picnic.
No, I think you should actually get it because it helps with like thickness and it gives you.
So Anna, yeah, said my ear not thick, my ear thin and a drop out.
No, but it can also be for my hair too.
You trying to get a comeback? Okay, Anna. I shall leave it. All I see big danger sign is still a wingy sitting like a rope.
No, Mama, actually, you need to get it.
Okay.
It's like really good.
Send it to me. Guys, this Sharp blow dryer is super good. It is a straightener and a blow dryer in one, and it has the brush. It doesn't damages the girl's hair, it doesn't hurt, which was a big thing for Ariella, and it blows the hair out good. I don't need her hair super straight because I'm gonna do twists, so I'm not trying to get it super straight. You know what's funny? When I had the girls, like, I never knew how to do hair. I used to bring them to the hairdresser to get their hair braided, just like how I used to go to the hairdresser to get my hair braided, and it was so expensive. So I just one day decided to do Anna's hair. The first time I did Anna's hair, it was not cute, it didn't look right, but I kept practicing on both of their hair, and now I can actually braid. Like, I do a great knotless, I do great boho braids, and also regular braids too. It's just not a profession for me. It takes me a long time because I haven't been doing it all my life, and I've actually got a couple paid clients when they want their hair done. I do it for specific people, honestly, because I don't own a shop and I do have a full-time job, and braiding takes a long while for me. But I'm super grateful that I learned how to braid. I've never really done a twist before, and that's what I'm gonna do in Ariella's hair. So I'll come back and show you guys. I'm about to start. I'll come back and show you guys when I got a couple done. Guys, I don't know. This is what I have so far. I'm better at braids, I promise. But this is my first time doing twists, and I don't know. It looks okay to me. It's not professional, but it looks good. You know what? I'm not even sure if I'm twisting the hair the correct direction. Probably at this point I should go check YouTube, so I think I'm gonna do that. So this is where we're leaving it. I did some big triangle parts because I wanted it to be medium and not too big, because yeah, I don't want to spend too long in her hair. But so far I think it looks good. Listen, for an amateur, not bad. Okay, not bad. Right. Oh. Not yet, but it's gonna shake when it's done. 1 second. I'll take a picture. You like it? You like it? for now, and I'm gonna head to bed. I am tired, and then I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and finish her hair off. So good night, guys. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Tired. Happy Sunday, beautiful people. Yes, today's Sunday. I'm not making breakfast today. I'm actually going to the water park, so I'm gonna try to get out of here. I was trying to finish up Ari's hair, but that did not work out. We have the front left to do, so I'm gonna have to do it when I get back. I'm gonna head out of here now, get the kids together so that we could go. We're going to the water park with my sister and her kids. Super excited. This is where we're stopping for now, guys, because we're going to the water park. So I'm gonna have to put her hair underneath a swim cap. Yeah, but I mean, I don't have a lot left that I could finish later, but we got to go. We're off to the water park. Are you guys excited? Why are you guys always fighting? Relax. Go. Enough of this.
Mom, if you look on that recording, she hit me first. No, I didn't. Yes, you did.
Oh my gosh. Always bickering. Come on. Are y'all excited?
Yeah, I guess.
Mom.
You went fast.
Aiden be ahead of everybody. My skin is super white. I'm gonna have to put some oil on it. I just put sunscreen on my face. Now I'm thinking I should have moisturized my face. God damn it. Let me get the sun. Got my swim cap on because I can't afford for my head pillows.
Hey, come here. Come here. Disclaimer.
My hair is all messed up, but I call the hairdresser because I don't want the ear peel out, so I call the hairdresser. So she said me to oil it, but when I go home, I'm gonna wash it and just try to mold it back and let it hair dry.
Screaming it, yeah.
Waiting to go on this ride with Asher. Let me show y'all. You good, Ari?
Looks fun, right? I want to go on that.
So guys, finally made it back home from the water park, and it is mad late. I came home, rinsed my hair out, and tried to give it a little bit of wave. I'm about to tie it down with my silk scarf and head off to bed. I am super tired. It's after 11 now, so I'm gonna head to bed because of course, you know, I have work early tomorrow morning. But closing out this vlog, I just want to thank y'all so much for watching my previous vlogs and continuing to watch. If you did enjoy this vlog, go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday in my next vlog. Bye.